Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about CYBL Cybl stock looking to break out. Okay, so I know a lot of you in my Discord are in Cybl. Some of you are, or a lot of you are in the red along with me, whatever, no big deal for me. But some of you are a little more beginner. Some of you remind me of me when I was a beginner. You know, you're in the red and you're like, oh my God, I'm dead. It's over. And it's just so stressful and you can't sleep at night and you're probably checking it constantly. Guys, of course, if the market as a whole was crashing, of course a shitty penny stock was going to crash too. Okay, so this is normal, this is expected, this is part of the game. Now, on the opposite side of that, let's get a little more optimistic here. Let's get a little more excited, a little more green here. On the other side of that, when the market starts to turn around, when the market starts going into a bull run, what do you think is going to happen? I'm asking you, I want you to think about that, right? If when we crash, we go down nice and cheap, what happens in a bull market, right? In a bear market, it's a bear market because people sell. They don't want to hold anything. The dumb ones, the smart ones, we buy what they're selling because we know we're going to recover and a lot of money is going to be made on the recovery because we're smart. So all this selling pressure, right? The selling at some point finishes. There's no more sellers. Well, if there's no sellers, then there's only what? Buyers. So what does that mean? It means that in the future, we're going to start climbing up. And so what's the problem? That's my question to you. If you're a beginner and you're seeing your portfolio deep in the red or something on Cybl, sir, you better not complain. I should not hear you. You know what? No. Let me rephrase that. I should hear you complain. I want you to complain to me when Cybl goes up back to 006, 008, or even 1 penny and beyond. I want to hear you complain and go, Shades, why does it keep going up? Please stop. Can you make it stop, Shades? Can you make it stop going up? Because I hate that it keeps going up. I want you to complain to me like that. I want you to feel pain that it's so expensive. When Cybl goes to 006, 008, 1 penny, you're going to look back at this and go, shit, I should have bought when it was so cheap down there. And I missed out on 500% plus. And you're going to, I think that's funny. Isn't that funny? Think about what I just said. People complain and cry because, oh no, I'm in the red, it keeps going down. And then they cry if they missed out. Oh no, I should have bought more. Or they cry because they didn't buy more when it was discounted. Isn't that funny? So they cry either way. Like, come on, man. Really? Really? I've been giving you the game plan. I'm telling you right now, this along with Bitcoin, it's bottomed. People don't want to hold shitty penny stocks in a bear market. But when things turn around, people suddenly want to put their money into shitty penny stocks because, there's a lot of gamblers out there, a lot of degenerates, and they like the volatility of penny stocks. And some of them come from 2020, 2021. So they know how to play the game. And anyone who bought down here, I mean, I congratulate you. If I could shake your hand, I would. Like, congratulations, you are smart. You bought down here at double zeros, maybe even 0009. You're smart. Clearly, you know what the hell you're doing. Go start your own Discord, because goddamn, right? You zoom out on the chart. It's a classic buy low, sell high, guys. It's a pump and dump. Stop being scared. If anything, start being scared that it's going up. You should be afraid that it's going up. Oh my God, it's going up. I'm so scared. Please come down back to double zeros, ones, 0009 so I can buy more. Because the people who bought down there, they're going to make a lot on the way back up. And the 200 moving average is all the way at 0046. So just to move back to the average is quite a bit of money. So if you have an average down and you want to take the risk and average down on your position and try to bring your average under 0046, I think that would be a good idea. I might add some. I still have not added my full 10K position, but with Bitcoin pumping the way it is and holding up at 60s, I think it's the bottom, and we're going to start seeing a lot of love go back into the shitty penny stocks. We're going to start seeing penny stocks start getting a lot of love, right? Because now people want to take risk. Now people are okay with holding garbage. Now people want to be in them because the potential is huge. And don't forget, Cybl is in the Department of War. I guess I guess I need to call it what it is now, the Department of War. A lot of people forget that. They're just so focused on their portfolio being in the red, they forget all the due diligence. It just goes out the window. I don't think they updated the. Did they get the? Did they update? Was there? Weren't they supposed to come out? Weren't they supposed to come out with an IR deck? Let me check. IR deck. I don't think they ever came out with it. Which I don't know why they did that. That makes them look bad. It's not the first time they've done this. It's not the first time they've done this. It's not. They've done this before where they say, oh, we're going to do something, and then they don't follow through. It is not the first time. It is literally not the first time. So let me check. No, their last update was like a month ago, almost February 12th. That's about it. That's about it. Okay. Man, there were so many bears on Cybl over the past like year. It's over. It's never gonna recover. Yeah, I mean, even this idiot right here. Let me show you this dummy. Don't listen to people on social media, by the way. They tend to be dumb. Palantir can go much lower. It's a very, very expensive stock. Bah ha ha. I'm gonna be a dick here and just say bah ha ha ha. Cause like, bro, what are you dumb? I think I said that. Yeah, February 15th, 2028 leaps at $100. Yeah, like if it goes down that low, buy leaps. Like leaps are gonna be a money printer, and Cybl is gonna be a money printer too. That's all I gotta say. I'll leave it at that, guys. I'm just very excited today. This is, if you can't tell, man, finally we bottomed out. I mean, I could be wrong, but I just have a good feeling. Let's just say, I think we bottomed out. Penny stocks are getting love. What? It's holding up. That's the thing that's funny to me. The fact that Cybl is holding up here. I thought it was gonna start coming down immediately to 0009s again, but it's not. In fact, it's trying to get this breakout. It might form a double top here and then come down. But if it breaks out, it'll go to 0026, then 003. Then we would see some resistance, I imagine, because 003 is a big level. Then from there, we'll see how far up it goes. But in the past, it has moved quite a bit from lows, right? So yeah, again, all it takes is that one catalyst, and this thing is gonna boom, right? When the Palantir catalyst dropped, it sent it to 0.014. So again, you gotta be patient. I'll continue to pound the table on that. I think this one's being slept on because of the fear. Don't sleep on it. This is a buy. I'll see you guys in the next one.